Hi, it's Mary, a traditional Chinese medicine tutor and an acupuncturist in Canada. In pulse examination, the terms forceful and forceless are frequently used to describe the pulse strength under the finger eye. After we have located the 寸关尺, we usually apply different pressures to detect the position where the pulse beating strength is most obvious. The most obvious beating strength is detected when using light, deep, and medium pressure. The most obvious beating position can be superficial, deep, or between the skin and the bone. Now, notice that the most obvious beating does not mean that the pulse beating is forceful, as the most obvious beating strength is a relative result when making a comparison among the pulse beating feeling under light, deep, and medium pressure. Thus, several situations may occur. The first meaning of the most obvious pulse beating to the finger is forceful. We sometimes express it as the pulse response to the finger is forceful, powerful, or strong. Wordings are different, but the meaning is the same. The second meaning of the most obvious pulse beating to the finger is forceless. The pulse response to the finger is not strong, not powerful, insufficient, or even weak. If the forceless pulse strength declines to an extreme, usually combined with a thin, thready pulse width, words like feeble, faint, or imperceptible may be used. Those different words are used to describe the different extents of forceless. The third meaning of the most obvious pulse beating to the finger is moderate, not too forceful and not too forceless either, which is a balanced state. Of course, forceful and forceless are comparatively speaking when compared to a healthy person's pulse strength. For a healthy person, the 寸 pulse under medium pressure is forceful, and the 尺 pulse under heavy pressure is forceful. If the pulse is also even, not too fast or slow, pulsating in a harmonious state, this pulse can be called having stomach qi, sen, and root. An excessive pulse, or 时脉 in Chinese, differs from a forceful pulse. Excessive pulse, being one of the 29 pulses and made by the combination of all the 寸关尺 and the different finger pressures are all forceful, can indicate an excess syndrome. But as discussed above, a forceful pulse only describes a type of pulse strength responding to the finger eye. A deficient pulse, or 虚脉 in Chinese, differs from a forceless pulse. A deficient pulse, being one of the 29 pulses and made by the combination that all the 寸关尺 and the different finger pressures are all forceless, can indicate a deficient syndrome. Weak pulse is another term that easily causes confusion. Sometimes we casually use the word weak to substitute the word forceless to describe that a pulse strength is not strong. We should bear in mind that there is a pulse officially called weak pulse or 弱脉 in Chinese. Is one of the 29 pulses made by the combination features of forceless, thready, soft, and deep, indicating qi and blood deficiency or yang deficiency. In conclusion, we need to pay attention to the context when using the pulse terms or different translations from Chinese to English. If you liked today's video, please give me a like, subscribe to it, and share it with others. See you in my next video. All the best!